Okay guys, I got a 2021 Chevy Suburban. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life. First, you're going to press the start stop button twice. Turn the vehicle to the on position. Okay. I'm using this directional keypad right here. We're going to go to the settings. So we're going to have to start the vehicle. So hold the brake, press the start button. So now we're going to scroll over to the info right here. Scroll down, get to oil life. So to reset the oil life, you're going to hold this down and it's going to reset. It's pretty easy to do. And if you have any questions, let me know. But scroll up or down, you use this, and then left or right, you just press these buttons, and then to reset or press enter, you just hold this down. So hopefully that helped, and now you're going to have a oil life that is 100%. Thanks for watching.